Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen workhorse that promises durability and healthy cooking, the Blue Diamond 5QT Saute Pan with lid. This isn't just another non-stick pan. Blue Diamond is touting some serious innovations here, and we're here to put them to the test. Let's start with the star of the show, the non-stick coating. Blue Diamond calls it diamond tough excellence. They claim it's metal utensil safe, 5 times harder, and 10 times longer lasting than traditional coatings. The infusion of actual diamonds into the ceramic is certainly intriguing. Diamonds are known for their hardness and excellent heat conductivity, so the idea is that this coating will not only resist scratches from your spatulas and whisks but also heat up faster and more evenly. This is a bold claim, and we'll be looking at how this holds up over time and with various cooking tasks. Speaking of heat, the superior heat mastery feature is directly tied to those diamonds. They're 4 times more conductive than copper, which is a significant claim. This means the pan should get up to temperature quicker, saving you time, and potentially offering more control over your cooking. Better heat distribution also means fewer hot spots, leading to more consistent results. This is crucial for a sauté pan, where you often want even browning and searing. Now, for a crucial aspect for many home cooks, healthy cooking. The toxin-free coating is a major selling point. It's free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. In a world increasingly aware of the chemicals in our cookware, this is a significant advantage. Cooking with confidence, knowing your food isn't coming into contact with potentially harmful substances, is a big peace of mind factor. A common frustration with cookware is warping. The Blue Diamond Saute Pan addresses this with a warp control feature, boasting a heavy-duty forged base. This is designed to prevent the pan from bending or wobbling on your stovetop, ensuring consistent contact with the heat source and stable performance over its lifespan. A warped pan is not only unsightly but also inefficient. The included tempered glass lid is designed for functionality and observation. It keeps heat and moisture contained, which is essential for sautéing and simmering, allowing your food to cook evenly. The fact that you can see your food without lifting the lid means you can monitor progress and prevent overcooking or burning. Versatility is key in any kitchen, and this pan aims to deliver. It's oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. This opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to start a dish on the stovetop and finish it in the oven, or even broil ingredients directly in the pan. This transition capability makes it a true multi-purpose tool. Cleanup is often the bane of cooking, but Blue Diamond claims this pan is dishwasher safe. While many non-stick pans are technically dishwasher safe, prolonged exposure to harsh detergents can degrade the coating over time. We'll be curious to see how this holds up with regular dishwashing cycles. The handle is made of riveted stainless steel, promising a secure and comfortable grip. Ergonomic design is important, especially when dealing with a 5-quart pan that can get quite heavy when filled with food. A sturdy handle is essential for safe maneuvering. Now, let's talk about stovetop compatibility. This pan is friendly with all stovetops, except induction. This is an important detail for those with induction cooktops. You'll need to look elsewhere for your induction needs. For gas, electric, and ceramic stovetops, however, this pan should perform well. The description also highlights a triple-layer craftsmanship with a durable core surrounded by 2 layers of stainless steel going up the walls. This is intended to eliminate cold spots and deliver responsive performance. The description mentions the Midnight Diamond Non-Stick as a sleek update to their classic coating, reiterating the toxin-free benefits. It also notes that the oven and broiler safe temperature for the lids is up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a good point to remember. The description also mentions a stackable stainless steel handle for simple storage, which is a nice bonus for those with limited cabinet space. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the promise of a durable, metal utensil safe non-stick coating infused with diamonds is very appealing. The toxin-free aspect is a significant health benefit. The high oven-safe temperature and versatile stovetop compatibility make it a flexible tool. The warp control feature is crucial for longevity and consistent performance. The ease of cleaning, being dishwasher safe, is a major convenience. However, there are a few potential cons to consider. The durability claims, while bold, will ultimately be tested by real-world use. While the coating is described as metal utensil safe, it's always wise to be cautious with any non-stick surface to maximize its lifespan. The exclusion of induction compatibility means a segment of the cooking audience won't be able to use this pan. We also need to see how the diamond infusion truly impacts heat conductivity in practice, beyond the theoretical claims. Lastly, while dishwasher safe, hand washing is often recommended for extending the life of any non-stick cookware. In conclusion, the Blue Diamond 5QT Saute Pan with lid presents a compelling package. It targets key concerns for home cooks: durability, health, and convenience. The innovative diamond-infused ceramic non-stick, coupled with its robust construction and versatile cooking capabilities, makes it a contender for a place in your kitchen. Whether it lives up to its ambitious claims will be determined by continued use, but on paper, it's certainly a pan worth considering. Link in the description.